everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my camper. I'm just sitting here on the bed in the back of the camper because I'm just hanging out and playing on the computer, and I'm gonna check out this thing here. What this is a power adapter. It says 48 watt 2-port GAN foldable travel charger. So this is going to give me USB-C and USB, and it should give a lot of power, more so than just those little nuggets that you get from the Apple and stuff like that. So hopefully it'll charge things quick. I'll try it on my laptop and see if it charges that. We'll see how, well, that'll be a good test because I have to have something big like this usually to do it. So we'll see how this one works. So let's check it out here. So this is the box here, and this is what the box looks like, and this is some of the stuff there. If you want to really read the back of it, you could probably pause it and read it. Okay, there's the side, and there's the barcode if you want to look it up somehow. I don't know how. And it came with this and this, and this is the block. It's a big old block. It's a hunk of block, but it's way smaller than this. But let's see what the power is, and it's kind of cool. It's got a little fold-out battery thingy here, and it fits a USB-C and USB, so I'm going to plug in my USB-C, plug it in here, and it did start to charge. I heard the ding from my laptop. So let's see, it says power source power adapter, and it says fully charged. Oh, my laptop's fully charged, so I don't know if it would charge and do it at the same time, but it seems to be charging, so that's kind of cool. Let's see what the specs are. Oh, I don't even know what the specs are on this thing here. I don't know. It seems like it's about the same probably as this Anchor thingy here that I have. That's like way bigger, and it's got the same 2 ports too. So let's check this out again here. So this is what it looks like here. So it's pretty cool. So it's definitely bigger than the other kind of things, but it's about the same size. That's funny. I have 2 of these different things here. This one here is just for the other kind of ports, and then this one here is this. But you can kind of see what it looks like in comparison to this, or like one of these 4-port thingies. You know, it's way smaller than that. It's a little lighter and definitely squared off edges more. But as far as traveling goes and stuff, it's smaller, so it's easier to take, especially if you have just 2 things. If you just want to charge like your iPad and your phone or your watch or something like that, this would be nice and smaller to take, and it can charge 2 things easily, and the USB-C. And it says it's got a lot of power for it, so the output's pretty good. You can actually read it here, which is nice. It's nice and big, where on some of these other ones, this one here, you can't even read what it says. It's so damn small. I don't know, maybe you guys can, I can't. What is this one? Another one that's kind of so small. I guess Anchor. These are both Anchor. Anchor writes the things real small, but this brand writes them bigger. These guys here, this Vena, V-E-N-A. So, I mean, so far it seems pretty good. If I ever have any issues with it or something like that, I'll definitely let y'all know. But it seems good. This folds up nice and easy and compact. It's got a little bit of nubs sticking up the top, but I guess you'd need that in order to open it. Otherwise, how would you ever be able to grab it? It snaps into place real good. It stayed up and was able to plug in pretty easy. So I like it. I'm going to give this thing a try. I'm going to start carrying this around with my laptop and try to use this instead. If for any reason it doesn't charge good or whatever, I'll put it in the comments or the description or something like that. But I like it, so thumbs up from me. If you want to get one, I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.